Hi, I'm John Wade, and this is my channel, so I'm gonna show y'all how I live. And I just got a little life hack for y'all. It's gonna be really like, I always lose my remote, me personally. And it drives me crazy that I can't find my remote. So I thought of a way to find my remote. So all I did was just put like a rubber band right here on the spring. Just put it like right in there. It's like, yeah, just bend the rubber band down and just kind of take it through. Put your finger on the spring. Put your finger on the spring and just kind of pluck it in there. Pull it down. Pull it down like that. Bang. And then I got like, I can put it on my wrist. I can put it like on almost anything. Like I can put it on like a little or on a corner. Well, probably not that corner, but put it on the doorknob. Where's my remote at? I don't know. When I left out the house, boom. And the remote still works and everything. Like it's not like the remote doesn't work. You just make sure that you put the battery in like regular. And when you do the closures, make sure that there's nothing in the little openings, like the little closures on the phone. That's always important. Like people really don't notice the little things, like just putting it in there and snapping. There you have it. And like I said, the remote still works. Excuse me. Thank you. The remote still works, like you see it. So the remote still works on TV. Perfectly fine. You know, everything still works. Play dog music. Play dog music.